Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to associate owners with guests. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Solis Cloud monitoring platform. Associate owners. Please log in to your Solis Cloud account. Navigate to the Power Station overview page. Please click on Modify Information at the top right corner. On the Edit Profile page, please click on Associate Account. Please select the option to set up an owner, and enter the email address you wish to assign to the owner. After filling in the email, if the owner has not registered, you have the option to choose whether to notify the owner. If the owner's email is not registered with the Solis Cloud platform, an account will be created based on the email, and the system supports sending text message reminders to the owner. If the owner's email is already registered with the Solis Cloud platform, the username of the owner's account will be displayed. Click Next. And after confirming the homeowner's information, click Confirm Association to successfully link the homeowner's account. Add guests. Now, please click on the Plant Guest option and fill in guest's email. After you have entered the guest's email, if the guest has not yet registered with Solis Cloud, you will have the option to decide whether to notify the guest to register. Please note that under the same Power Station, you can associate multiple guest accounts. Click Next again. Select the Register and Associate option to successfully link the guest with the Power Station. If you need to add more visitors, you can complete the association simply by using their email addresses. Please note that visitor accounts can only view Power Station information and cannot modify it. After all operations are completed, click Save Information below. At this point, the newly added owner and guest information have taken effect. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.